Hi, and welcome to Express Video Learning, presented by Cost Plus Electric Supply. I'm Eric, and we're here to show you. Today we're talking about Lutron's fully scalable commercial control system, Vive. Whether you're doing a small retail space or a multi-story high-rise, Vive has a product offering through hardwired controls, wireless sensors and Pico controls, power packs, and also a main control module that will help you tie into energy management systems. Vive has the product offering you're looking for. Now let's get into some of the components. First, we have our Vive switching components. Whether it be through a wall control switch or a relay power pack, there's options to make sure you're controlling what you need. Whether it's a full bank of fixtures or it's actually a one-to-one fixture relationship. There's lots of power pack options. Next is the wireless components. These are the interfaces that are going to help you control the wire components we just spoke about. These particular units can be mounted in various applications, ceiling, wall, and also there is individual controls that it can either be mounted on the wall or it can actually be mounted on a pedestal for individual employee settings and control. Let's get to programming. In this particular application, we're going to be talking about a one-to-one Pal Pak that is going to have 0 to 10 volt control. And this might be an older building where they don't have 0 to 10 volt wiring. This is going to give us the ability to control the fixture as the customer wants. We're going to assign it to a Pico device and we're going to assign it to an occupancy sensor. Let's get started. We're going to put the power pack in programming mode by holding the off button for 7 seconds. You're going to see the light illuminate and start to pulse in a regular fashion. Okay, my light's illuminated. You're going to start to see it ramp up and ramp down. Perfect, we're in program mode. Let's assign our first Pico device. I'm going to hold the off button for 7 seconds there. You're going to see the fixture pulse rate change once it's associated. Feedback is done. We're ready to move on to the next device. We're going to put our Pal Pak back into programming mode. Hold it for 7 seconds. Again, the fixture will pulse when it's ready. On the occupancy sensors, you're going to hold the off button for 7 seconds as well. The good part about the sensors is you're going to see that they have visual feedback to let you know they're connected. Now this occupancy sensor is connected as well. Now we're ready to control our fixtures. It's that simple. Now that our components are connected, we have full system control. The Pico control is going to be your manual override to turn the lights on and off or dim them up and down to the specified level of whatever you're using the space for at that time. Whereas the occupancy sensor will give you automatic control. If nobody's in the space, it'll turn off the lights based on the time settings you have. Remember, we did this the old-fashioned way, holding buttons, waiting seconds, and it's obviously very easy as we're sitting right here with all the components next to each other. On much more complex projects, you're going to want to introduce the Vive Hub. This will give you an app-based programming method, and it will also tie much easier into energy management systems that are in bigger buildings. With Vive product line, it can be scaled to fit all of your product needs commercial building-wise. Good luck!